This video shows how to replace the expander PERC card on a PowerEdge XE7100. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system. Then, pull the expander module handle and slide the module out of the enclosure. To remove the expander PERC, you must remove the PERC riser. To do this, holding the expander module bracket, first disconnect the PERC riser cables. Then, remove the screw and lift the riser out of the module. Now for the expander PERC card. Holding the PERC riser, pull the card out. To replace the expander PERC card, insert the card firmly into the PERC riser until it is fully seated. Insert the riser into the module and tighten the screw. Then, reconnect the PERC riser cables. Now, firmly insert the module into the enclosure until it is fully seated. And finally, push the handle and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the expander PERC card on a PowerEdge XE7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.